how to use DeepSeek to solve complex reasoning. Now, DeepSeek is fairly a new AI text-based model currently. And basically, if you use DeepSeek, you might not have known this feature yet. That is the feature of DeepThink. So when you're messaging with a DeepSeek AI, at the bottom you can say DeepThink, it says use DeepSeek R1 to solve reasoning problems. If you're having issues reasoning with the AI for any sort of reasons, then you just want to make sure to check this option. When this is checked, it is going to be highlighted in blue. When it's unchecked, it is going to be in a normal text padding like this. So you want to make sure to turn on DeepThink R1. If you want, you can also conduct a web search when it's necessary, and then make sure to click on this option. Now your reasoning will get much more accurate and you can ask it to solve complicated questions. This way you can use DeepSeek or DeepThink R1 to solve complex reasoning. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.